All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So, the real quick video for the Tudia branded Tudia merge for the Blade 10 and Blade 10 Prime. Now, this phone has been out for quite some time now, and I think a lot of you guys might have it already. So, it's time to get you a nice case. So, obviously, I've been using it. It comes in this eco-friendly packaging like this. I have cases right here, obviously, for the OnePlus devices and the Moto G8 Power, but this is the Tudia merge for the Blade 10. Now, if you look on this part of the Tudia merge is a case that we all know, we all love, we know about it. So on this side here, you've got the volume rocker and the power button, and they work really good. Yep, all good. And then you've got a cutout right here for the camera, and the fingerprint reader's got that sloping design. So when you hit it, your finger rests right in there. Fast fingerprint reader. And then you've got on the bottom here, you've got the cutout for the charging sync, microphone, and speaker. On this side, you have nothing. On the top, you have a slot for the headphone jack and another microphone there. And then that is going to be it. Now on the top here, you cut out for the speaker for your phone calls. And then around the entire device, you got what's called lip protection. This has major lip protection, a real thick lip protection. So if you drop it face down, depending on where you hit it at or what corner, you should technically be protected with this particular device. Man, I got it in like ultra power saving mode. But all in all, really nice feeling case. It looks good. I like it. It's nice. Got the contours of the phone is shaped really nice. It kind of falls in your hand. It's a good look, man. This is a really sleek, nice device. No complaints. Or case, I should say, not device. Well, device is sleek and nice, but the case is really nice and sleek. You got grip along these sides right here on the back, so you shouldn't have a problem. Then it's matte along this, all the black portion. So these are interchangeable cases if you get more than one with different colors. But this portion right here, back in the day, it used to be like that, and I used to switch them out. I think you still can. But there it is. It's your man Jay. This is the Tudia merge for the Blade 10, Blade 10 Prime by ZTE. Thanks, Tudia, for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it.